2003 года. Мы с Ленечкой в Майами находимся. Приехали вчера, побыли на пляжике. Сейчас мы приехали, как это называется, Monkey Jungle.
Ой, а где она убежала, смотри. Но тебе нельзя. Хитрая убежала.
Куда же она побежала?
Я забираю его.
Забираю обратно. Кушай.
Ну, давай бери уже. Ой, я говорю, она проснулась.
Угу.
А там черная лежит, какой она сбоку. Черная просто как дьявол какой-то.
Где она? В этом?
Да.
Да, страшно.
Ой, какой-то попугай глупой. Андрей, посмотри.
Где?
А он. А там золотая.
Синие рыбки. Такого я еще не видел.
И оранжевая. А вот черная. Слушай, кабаны такие. А вот там одна красная.
Что это такое? Попугай? Черепашка. Ползет на стену, что ли?
Надоело ей, а может,
Ну да.
бедный. Но они не так медленно и поползают, да?
Ну нормально, до Киева доползет.
Hi, baby.
Шустрая.
Иди сюда уже. Это красивенькие.
Красиво, да.
Это солнечный канут какой-то.
А что там происходит? Кто там орет?
Это ужас. Причем когда драка.
Кто там?
Я пойдем вокруг, я не знаю. Какая-то драка происходит. Это не партийное собрание.
Что здесь?
А это называется белые, черные, это колобус манки. Они отличаются тем, что они живут где-то 8-10, так сказать, женских особей с одним мужским. Это как большой
Гарем.
гарем, да. Ой, посмотри. Я не могу. Ну, точно как человек, посмотри. Такой длинный нарядный хвост.
Ну, что-то все такое.
Тут нон-стап. Вы, наверное, есть умеют. Это рельеф нон-стап. нету здесь таких штучек.
Вот она, смотри.
Вешают. Ага. Red Howlers. Squirrelman. А вот это вот тоже маленькому виду называется Squirrelman. Это беличья манка. Ай! Что ты мне язык показываешь? Ты посмотри на нее. Это Уилл. В настоящем джангл такого нет. И такие маленькие, знаешь, как будто детки такие, да?
Да, малыши.
Но это не малыши, это такая порода.
Порода.
The way she looks and then the way she acts. It is very easy to tell when a little girl May, she is happy, angry, lazy. Look at Miss May, she's getting very brave. May, I'm getting a little bit nervous, you're gonna fall down. She says, okay, I'm getting down, I'm getting down. You notice how tall is Miss May. You notice also, look at how May is reaching branch to branch over there. You notice how long the arms are? And an adult male orangutan had a strength between 4 to 5 men put together. And the reach from an adult orang from fingertip to fingertip average between 7 to 8 feet. The arms are 1.5 times. Also, after the orangutan presentation, we're going to take you to see King, a western lowland gorilla. It is very important, if you would like to see King, that you must wait for me and then I will take you to see him. King is not on display at this particular time for the public. May May. May is quite relaxed this afternoon. Actually, through the day, she's been quite busy because she's been hearing all this noise in the back and she wants to know what is going on. That's why she's been going up and down. She go to the back, she go to the front to see what is going on. And they like to know because in the wild, that's what Miss May has been doing. She's doing a little nature call. You know how it is when you gotta go, you gotta go. She says, yes. I says, I have to stop and I can't work either. Oh my, what a relief. Remember that? Oh gosh, a few years. I love you. What a cat. Miss May, can you show those beautiful looking legs? Ooh, la la. Now you can see May's feet. You notice it looks like hands. What we're doing, we're checking for cuts and bruises. We make these behaviors actually to be funny because when we teach them these husbandry behaviors, it is like teaching kids. It has to be nothing serious. It has to be kind of excited to do this. That way you'll be able to train them and do. Also, when they take medication, we reward them. Just like the kids, we give them a little yogurt or more so we prefer like applesauce and things like that. And they do take the medicine pretty well too. Right, Miss May? Miss May also does take her vitamins. What else? A hug, a kiss. How about clown? Can I see a clown? This is a clown face, very good. When Miss May put the clown face and make her lips up, actually has to check the teeth, the gums, the trunk and back molars in case that we need to take cultures and also for calmness. Look at May's arms. Oh, ooh, la la. Thank you, May. Our little girl May also, she has a birth control right between her shoulder blades, so they call it the North Plank, but it's good for 3 years. Thank you, darling. Miss May can be very silly at times. You notice this is being very cool today. She says, yeah, she's been very relaxed. Actually, Miss May participates 80-90% of the time to the facility like Monkey Django for a Pure Sumatra. Hi, darling, and Pure Borneo arrange. You notice that Miss May's fingers are very long. And a hug. How about a kick out, kick back, kick, show it. Funny. Show me your big feet. May, pull it. Hi. Thank you. Okay. Now, being funny. He says, May says, I'm being very funny. Thank you, May. May says, something is going on. What's happening? You notice even May is aware. Something is happening in the back. Something is. They like to know what is going on around the surrounding areas. The next meeting is going to be with King, a Western lowland gorilla. And thank you again for choosing Monkey Django. Any questions about May or anything about the park, please feel free to ask. But as you guys will not be here, and thank you again for choosing Monkey Django.
Прикол.
А тебе ты идешь, нет? Ты побоялся, пришел сразу. Ау, не успевал убирать. Ты как борка.
Да, шустрая такая. А ну дай еще, дай еще. Ишь ты.
Маленькая мартышка, да? Дай чуть-чуть, дай.
Ну да, пусть поест.
Сдвинься хоть сюда, я даже не похоже, что настоящий.
Смотри. О, животное.
Такое скорбное лицо. Чисто как в кино.
Willie B used to be just like King by himself.
$50 лет.
Сколько?
50 лет. Ой, так бы.
He is single and available.
4 года. Почти как мы.
Let's show the day, guys.
Будет одинокий и свободный.
King weighs around 450 pounds and he is not quite 5 feet tall. Life expectancy and captivity for gorillas average 42 to 50. King also, when people see King or they see a big guy like King, they always say, oh, mine is a silverback. And indeed, King is the silverback. The reason why they call gorilla silverback, because like us, with age, the hair becomes white. And the same thing happens to the gorillas, and that's why they obtain the name the silverback or dominant male. King is looking to that way because he has a... Me too. King. Well, let's give a big hand for King. King likes to get a little close. He says, yes. Arriba, gordo. Let's go check it out. Thank you. Can you please lay down? That's his silverback. Thank you, baby.
Серебряный бок. Серебряная спина.
Gorillas, actually, they're very peaceful. They're very gentle. They are not as mean as you, Raymond. Oh, you want to eat? Please, food, please. No, Raymond is a Nebraska monkey. Sometimes King grab him by the tail and put it up. Sometimes I have my dreams, they want to tell it. But believe it or not, yesterday, Raymond got out and he went to see because Keith's been going over there. King, right, 450-pound gorilla afraid to a monkey at 25 pounds. King, just like me, I'm afraid of little dogs or birds. Anything that bites, I'm afraid. But I'm not afraid of these guys. I'm not afraid of any of the great apes or chimpanzees because I know they're more or less behavior. But other primates that I don't know, you never see me touching or reach to do anything. I'm a little bit scared. Yeah. It's right there, to your right. Yeah, you see the white bear? He says, what do you see it? What do you see it? He doesn't like me to choke Raymond because he gets very jealous. He goes, what you doing? What you doing? Turn around, turn. Okay, up, up. Turn, 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 turn. Thank you. King, of course, he's a sweetheart. Apple. You see, Kim preferred apple. He's not gonna eat an apple.
Really?
Good arm.
I was gonna say you throw right where it is.
I've been working with Kim almost 15 years. Kim knows colors, shapes, plays, and you know what he tells me? He's 21 years old, and he says, Ma, you know, you was right. He says, the girls always come to me. I said, that's good. I told you they will come to you. She must be a gorilla behavior. Kim? No children, no babies. He says, too much money. And he doesn't want to pay child support. No, Kim doesn't have no children. The female that she had, she didn't like her. And the gorillas actually, they are like us, very prejudiced. Physical appearances is very, very important. And Kim, even though he's physicalized to imitate how men walks. Kim. Walk that way. Let's give a big hand for Kim.
Ну, если не скажешь, я
Ну да, ничего не делать. Так, конечно, разбаловали.
He will take it all the way to the top and leave by himself, right? Give us a high five. A high five. And say thank you for coming. Thank you, Kim.
Ох, повезло.
все, до свидания. Теперь можно уже уходить.
Just in case you guys are hungry and want to take my food away.
Bye-bye, Kim.
Oh yes, he goes over there. And he does look. Ты слышишь, они так как у них где-то.
Так как у них вот эта вот на голове белая штука, какая-то маркировка белая, это поэтому они названы в честь греческого бога. Греческого бога чего? Греческого бога Луны, Даяна.
Красиво. Да он сам
А
сделает.
сам там ничего не падает. Ну, при...
Да побольше кинь.
А, вот, уже вылез. Оно липучее.
Давай, говори. Побольше. Оп. А ну иди теперь на ту клеточку.
Ну-ка, иди сюда. Давай, давай. Краси еще.
А теперь сюда давай.
Да хватит,
Ну еще разочек.
не морозь голову.
Пусть еще раз ковыркнется. Подожди.
Эй!
Осталось еще? Да, это тоже.
Ты посмотри, это такая наглая, даже еще не двинет эту трубу. И это просто так летит и все.
Ей повезло.
Да.
Опа. Дай еще.
Такой худой, блин. Это тинейджер, посмотри, побежал.
Да. А вон маленький, тот шустрый, смотри, что делает.
Как плюшевые мишки, да?
Это смешно.
Это вот та, которая, как мне понравилась, игрушка. А где вот такие манки, как я люблю? Вот такие прямо, как взять на руки, такие кабанистые, как те.
Взять на руки это в магазине.
Не, ну я имею в виду такие, побольше. Как мечется.
Шустрый, да.
Не, ну честно, ну смешно, посмотри на эти ноги вообще уже. Ой, ты крэзи, на. Иди сюда. Блин, а ну-ка дай его туда. Вот хочу. Или он не поест. Ну, видишь, он не... Это опять оно, да?
Это старшой. Это пахан.
Ты делай такую фотографию. Там делаю. А Дима вокруг другого около выкрутился, ты видел? Да, оба. Да, давай. Это называется kiss my ass. Ой, я не могу. Ну, иди сюда. Эй, you, вот правильно, иди сюда. Ты после маленький, но такой агрессивный. Себя в обиду не даст.
Вон парочка заскочила. Гладит, я смотрю.
Чухает. Вошки ищет. Или блошки. Эй! Только не надо на меня ничего делать. Если мне делать на голубые.
Не бойся.
Да, что-то капнуло, а?
Пописал.
Что, сейчас все туда полезли? Ну, а снимок на память. Ладно, пошли. Вот дурачок такой. Ты что, сейчас совсем маленький дурнешь? Ладно, ты видишь, он дает, перевернул и все, ничего.
Сейчас его прогоним.
Или она не опускает, потому что не хочет ни с кем делиться. Ну. Да, объясни глупости. Посмотри,
Да. Ты смотри, а?
у него
Опа.
зубы режутся, видно.
Ну,
Дайте ему погрызть цепи. Супер.
Смотри, а всех разогнал. Надо ж такое. Успел. Успел. Ну да, этому тоже.
Уже все, последнее.
Ну отдай последнее.
Окей.
The houses do a lot of resting, canopies. They do. You'll see them in the sun a lot during the day, sleeping, getting their rest. Yeah. Yeah, I wish I had half that.
Да, что тут, смотри, кишит. Кишит тянется.
Смотри, вот это, который был сейчас, быстро дают.
Где? Наверху?
Прям где? Сейчас, прямо в животе.
А, в животе, да.
О май гад. Папа, а можно растратить, чтобы еще рыба была?
Да.
Вот сейчас он будет.
Yeah, the fish. Look at the fish. He's saying, wait a minute, that damn fish will get down this far.
You not gonna ring the bell?
Yeah, I will.
Is that the fishy?
Набрала.
is given to them because of where they originate, which is a small island off of Southeast Asia known as the island of Java. The other name, crab-eating macaque, is given to them due to the fact that in the wild, their natural diet includes crabs and shrimp. One other interesting fact about these monkeys is that they swim. Now, although all monkeys are able to swim, few monkeys actually seem to enjoy swimming the way these guys do. But since shrimp and crab are frequently found underwater, Javas in the wild have to swim to get their food. In this group, it's usually the juveniles who do most of the swimming because they enjoy playing in the water. These macaques were brought here in 1933 by Joseph Dumont. He wanted to study primate behavior in a semi-natural in Southeast Asia, similar to their native environment. As I mentioned earlier, we have about 140 Javas within the 7-acre compound, and all of them are descendants of the original 6, which were released here more than 60 years ago. What Joseph wanted to study specifically was the social structure of Java macaques. It's based on what is called the dominant hierarchy or pecking order. What that means is that there is a monkey number 1, and he is the leader and most dominant animal in the group. Under monkey number 1, there is a monkey number 2. Under monkey number 2, there is a less dominant but still important monkey number 3. As the leader, you do have certain responsibilities. The second factor that determines their rank is their political alliances, who their friends are, and how many they have. Their rank can change in one of two ways. First, when males are young, they roughhouse or wrestle around, similar to how many children do. This is when they make or break most of their friendships. But as males get older, if they want more access to food or females, they will have to earn that privilege, either by winning the respect of great physical strength, you have to have support from male troop members, and you need to have the acceptance of the females. When a male moves up in rank, you commonly see the social status of his mother improve as well. Any offspring that she has from that point on will also be of that higher rank. However, her offspring that were born before she moved up in rank will remain whatever status they were initially born into. The second way that their rank can change is if another male ever overthrows their alpha male. They will then have to assume a subordinate position not only to the new male, but also to any monkeys that he brings with him. What they're actually looking for are not parasites like fleas or ticks. However, if they do find a parasite, they will gladly pick it up and eat it. But in general, they are very clean and almost free of ectoparasites. What they're actually looking for are tiny little particles of dandruff. When these monkeys perspire, salt from their sweat is absorbed into the dandruff particles, and it serves as a salty little snack. Eggs are their favorite. More importantly, though, grooming cements bonds between the animals. The lifespan of a Java macaque is about 20 to 25 years, with the males maturing between the ages of 5 and 8, and females much earlier, between 3 and 5. Once mature, a female may have 6 to 8 infants throughout her lifetime. The females give birth to only one infant, usually during the months of May through September, after a gestation period of about 6 months. The newborns are easily recognized because they have black fur and pink skin. This coloring is called a natal coat and has special significance in the dominance hierarchy. Newborn offspring and their mothers are the most privileged and protected members within the troop. This means that at this time they are socialized, groomed, and feed with the higher-ranking females. This allows low-ranking females the access to better foods at a time when nutrition is essential. After about 6 months of age, you will see a complete disappearance of the natal coat, which has gradually disappeared after birth. As soon as the other members of the troop detect that change in the infant's coat color, both mother and infant lose their special status, and the infant will assume the social status of the mother. Java infants will nurse for up to about 9 months. However, after the mother loses the special feeding privileges, she will wean her baby onto more solid foods, such as fruit and bugs. And that does conclude the presentation. Does anyone have any questions?
Which one scored?
Well, before you go, I would like to caution you, because of all the monkeys here at Monkey Jungle are wild. Whenever you are feeding the monkeys, keep in mind that all of these monkeys have large, sharp teeth and can bite. Please make sure that you only feed these animals through the cups and tubes provided. If there are no cups or tubes, please do not try to feed them through the wire mesh. These signs around the park refer to all the monkeys at Monkey Jungle, not just the ones immediately near the signs. We also ask that you do not try to pet these monkeys or lean over the railing next to the swimming pool. There is an electric wire that goes across the bottom. This is not just for your safety, but also for theirs. And finally, if you do see any wildlife in the trails, whether they're snakes, frogs, birds,